The Reflecting on Practice Coaching Workshop is an opportunity for people interested in doing reflecting on practice at their own site to come together and to learn together, and then to be able to take the program back to their institution. All the different parts that are in the Reflecting on Practice curriculum are implemented within the coaching workshop.
The intention of the coaching workshop is to give people a chance to feel what it's like and that immersive experience, and then at the end of the coaching workshop, these workshop participants become Reflecting on Practice facilitators.
It's being done at so many different organizations and institutions around the country that by having all of these different diverse organizations together in the same room, people were able to really see and think about things in different ways that they hadn't done before.
So I'm here today at the RoP Coaching Workshop, and what I'm really getting out of it is the ability to have a lot more tools to kind of put in my tool bag to really engage my staff, my teachers, and my audience, and also my students.
As a leader in my organization, this workshop has checked off so many boxes of what I was hoping to achieve here. I'm looking forward to bringing what I've learned back home so that we are better achieving our objectives.
Activities that we do in the coaching workshop place the facilitators in the role of the learner.
When they turn around to teach the program with their staff, they could recall what it felt like for them to be in the learner seat when they were struggling with these ideas for the first time.
So some of the activities that we do, we start out with an activity called Cup and Card, which is a really fun activity to get people to learn about each other. But the final question about that is, so what did you learn and how did you learn it?
Other activities we do in a coaching workshop are research discussions where participants read and discuss literature reviews on learning from disciplines like neuroscience, psychology, and education. Participants get the chance to talk about the ideas and how they relate to practice, with educators from other institutions to consider them from these different viewpoints.
So to anybody thinking about utilizing the RoP for their own institutions, I would fully support that. It can always be a little bit nerve-wracking to think about recording yourself or having to look or listen to your own persona through these types of lenses, but it is a critical and very important tool to be able to use, and the RoP process is set up to keep everybody safe, to keep everybody's values and personalities considered.
Video reflection is a major part of the Reflecting on Practice program. During the coaching workshop, educators bring one of their own videotapes so they get the feeling of what does it feel like? What is the protocol for the video discussions? Does it feel like this is something that they could take back to their own institutions? What are they learning by having peers view their videotape and discuss what they observed, what they think based on what they observed, and what suggestions do they have for changing practice?
There are several hundred institutions participating in Reflecting on Practice. By participating, it means a team of educators attend a coaching workshop and then they take the curriculum and program back to their institution to implement with their own community of educators. And then over time, the community integrates RoP into their daily work. If you're interested in Reflecting on Practice, attend a coaching workshop. There are 2 formats for our coaching workshops. The in-person format takes place over 3 consecutive days. The blended format starts off in person for 1 day, followed by 5 online meetings. Visit our website for a list of coaching workshops scheduled. Or, if there are informal educators and organizations in your region that would benefit from learning together and building common understanding, contact us to host a coaching workshop.